Yeah, Assalamualaikum. So welcome to the house viewing. Right now we are viewing a Jenazah house located in Puerto Princesa, Philippines.
So this is the exterior, similar to the mosque, and we even have a table with 6 stools on it. So this Jenazah house, right now in Puerto Princesa, what you see here, it will be similar to what you can buy in the future, buy a slot in the future projects, inshallah. Similarly, we have a name engraving here. We put it here again to recognize and acknowledge our contributors for helping us build this Jenazah house for the Muslim minority community here in the Philippines. We are doing this for the ease of this community whenever there's a Jenazah, so that they can wash the body here and proceed to the burial, inshallah. Come, let's see. Come. Okay, so this room is not so big but not so small either. So this is where they will place the Jenazah, or here. But this is the place where they will wash the Jenazah. So normally we have about 4 people helping to wash the Jenazah with the bidet we provided in every corner of this table. And this table will be the one where they will put the kain kafan accordingly. We even have storage spaces inside. We have 4 in total. Come see. Yeah, you store all their equipments here lah. From Jenazah washing all the way to their burial. So we have good ventilation as well in this room. There's also a toilet. We have similar to the mosque, we have a bidet and a toilet bowl, as you can see, and also to top up their water lah, in case they want to bring their bucket of water outside. And here is their shower. We provide a comfortable shower area, so this is a good shower area lah after they are washing. The lighting here, so actually right now we are turning on the lights, but if we turn off all the lights during the day, it's actually still bright because of our ceiling, as you can see. We have windows at the ceiling as well, so when the light comes in, it is still bright for during the day, so we can save the energy to use the light whenever we want to wash the Jenazah at night. Let's see the behind of the Jenazah house. There's something interesting for you to see. So as you can see, there's pipes there, pipes here. Underneath here is actually the piping system for our water usage. So for this Jenazah house as well as House in Paradise, we use the water from the water tank as a backup actually. So usually all our mosques and Jenazah house, so we use the government water supply, or if not, our own water supply. So some of the mosques, as you can see in our video, they have wells built by Hastras as well, because it's part of creating that mosque so that the community can use water comfortably.